My name is Arad Gharagozli. I'm the founder and CEO of GALAXIA Mission Systems, and I graduated from Dalhousie's Electrical Computer Engineering in 2020. GALAXIA started from the idea of what if satellites can do more than just being data collectors in space. So we wanted to build satellites that are hyper intelligent. They can make decisions in space, and therefore they can improve our lives here on Earth, and we can do way more in space. Nova Scotia has been traditionally very ocean-focused, agriculture-focused province, especially in Atlantic Canada, and GALAXIA has really changed that. So now we can say that we have a space industry that is leading the nation worldwide. My time at Dal was great. I got to experience a lot of different opportunities that it would otherwise be very difficult to do. And a big example of that was the time that we started Dalhousie Space Systems Lab. It was a very small group at the time. It was back in 2017. And we brought a whole team together, and we managed to build the first satellite in Atlantic Canada and launch it at a track record. And that was the building block for us to put GALAXIA forward as a business model. One thing that I'm very proud of is the low-risk mission that we have done. The reason behind that is, I remember when we started working on the mission, we brought the idea up. It was at a time that none of the support was available, both nationally or provincial. And we tried to have this massive undertaking that a lot of people doubted. But I think we found very amazing people who came together with the same goal. And we achieved something that a lot of people did not even think would be possible, and we made it happen. And when I think back, it's just such an amazing experience to be able to say something like that we've been part of something so big and something so historic in our province and even nationally. There are a lot of things that I enjoy about work. I mean, number one is the team that we have. We have the same goal, we have the same vision, and we click really nicely. So every morning that we start talking to each other, we start working, that's a good morning. But also we are aiming to solve really big problems, and that is on its own very motivating and very rewarding. So I'm very grateful to have that opportunity to be able to work in environment that I'm able to work with such amazing people tackling such big problems. The big problems that we are trying to address are how do we use space to make life easier here on Earth. So some common examples of that are how do we improve connectivity in places that traditional systems do not work, or how can we use space to improve navigation or even like address some of the environment and climate challenges. The future of GALAXIA is very exciting. We are launching our second satellite that is going up this year, that's been in works for the past 2.5 years, which was funded by the Canadian Space Agency. We just finished signing contracts on 2 brand new satellites that we are building for the federal government, and we started the export of a lot of our products internationally. So when I think back from 2020, when we just started signing up the company and looking how far we have come, that just goes to show what the trajectory of the company looks like. So I'm very excited to see what the next few years is holding up for us.